Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Shopify Plus, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Shopify Plus, log into your Shopify Plus account. Navigate to the admin panel on the left side of your dashboard. Click on the settings option located at the bottom of the panel. From the settings menu, select billing to access your billing information. Review your current plan and pricing details displayed on the billing page. Next, click on Reports in the left sidebar to analyze financial data. Here, you can view sales reports and performance metrics. Download any relevant reports for deeper analysis if needed. Now, assess your operating expenses by considering costs like shipping, apps, and transaction fees. Go back to the admin panel and select Apps. Review and manage subscriptions to ensure you're only using necessary apps. After that, head to Online Store and click on Themes. Check for any customizations that may incur additional costs. Return to the Settings menu and select Taxes. Ensure your tax settings are accurate to avoid unforeseen expenses. Once you have a clear view of income and expenses, create a budget spreadsheet. List all revenue sources and categorize your expenses. Ensure to compare your actual spending against your budget regularly. Adjust your budget as necessary to remain aligned with your financial goals. Finally, monitor your performance using Shopify's analytics tools to assess where you stand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.